Guys, we have an island adventure planned for you today. We got the car, we got the homies, it's the return of Bree, and we're getting ready. We're going to Volcanoes, we're going to Hilo Town, we're going all over. Hilo Town, that's what the locals call it. Really? H-Town. We're going all over the island of Hawaii. So honestly, we tried to record an intro, but it was the most awkward thing in the world, so I'm just gonna do it right now. This is Bex, she lived here for a while. This is Carly, she's one of my best friends. This is Lindsay, also one of my best friends. And this is Bree, and she currently lives here.
Hey guys, it's Bex here. Welcome, and Bree, welcome to our channel. We're here at Rainbow Falls.
Rainbow Road, Mario Kart. Dude, bruh, this is so crazy. Wait, where the heck are we?
We are at Rainbow Falls. There's no rainbows today, but there are falls and these beautiful flowers.
Whoa! Almost as beautiful as Carly. Ooh, that's tasty. What'd you get for lunch, Bree? Fish tacos. Oh. What'd you get? Fish and chips. Fish and chips. Nice, nice. What about you?
I got some moco that's loco.
Oh,
moco.
What about you, Linz?
I got a poke bowl.
Ooh, poke insides in Hilo.
It's hot. Careful.
Yeah, I wasn't joking. That was so hot. Like literally.
If you've never had a loco moco before, I would describe it to you as an acai bowl. It's like an acai bowl, but with meat.
I mean, look, you got layers. It's like onions and like Shrek. It's got layers. Whoa! Hawaii Volcanoes National Park! Kilauea Visitor Center. We're at a volcano.
Yeah,
how do you feel?
I feel safe.
I feel the right amount of tension.
Oh. I think we're already in the park, so let's go in, through, and then we can come back. Okay, let's do it.
Does anyone else feel just on the verge of like
we're gonna meet some dinosaurs today, or the world is ending? Yes.
But the only one. Thank you.
Is that what you're gonna say?
Yes.
Wow.
Like the world is on the verge of ending. That's how I feel. Now it makes me feel more alive. Whoa!
Well, like this is the last day.
Honestly,
this would be a pretty tight last day. Yeah.
Look at that. It's the
Whoa! Steam vents!
Wow, it is so hard.
Wait, I want to feel it. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Yeah, right. That's one. I can take some pictures for you.
It's a video. We're being stupid.
Oh, that's perfect.
So our beauty's on the inside. It's the outside. It's not make a triangle with me. Volcanoes are not like this. They're like these.
Wow.
I don't think you can really truly understand the depth
Of God's love for you.
Of God's love for you. I'm sorry, who is she?
That is really pretty.
This is beautiful with the clouds.
That's actually epic.
Okay, check this out. But then if you look way down there, there's freaking people walking across this. Wow, look at how green it is. Look at this.
I hiked it.
We're at the lava tube. Oh my gosh. That looks so freaky. Holy cow. This is so sick. Guys, this is so wild. Like this is, I just can't get over the fact that this is where lava was. Bro, you can barely see. Ta-da! We made it. That is so freaking ominous looking. What are you doing there?
Just taking a picture, just a little selfie.
Oh, okay. Guys, end of the day.
So
We're
fun.
finally back in
Such a
Kona.
blast. Like, best day ever.
Had a good
Had
time.
me tangled because it was the best day ever.
Oh my gosh. We got it done. We had a good time.
You know what,
how do we end the vlog?
You know what? That's a wrap.
Cut the cameras, cut the cameras, cut. I don't think I've ever been this cold in my life.
Baby Yoda.
I don't know if you...